are you? This is one of the largest IMTechs that is happening. So what are the innovative solutions that you are bringing to IMTech this year?
So first of all, Imtex itself is show in which you get to really meet the entire metalworking fraternity and your customers. So it's important for us to really convey the right messaging to our customer in terms of what we stand for, what our developments are. So our developments have two facets. One is every development is aimed towards overcoming an existing bottleneck. Your bottleneck, for example, you have a bottleneck of not being able to do a large length boring. You have vibrations with the existing conventional tools. So we have new set of tools which have a damping inside the tool itself, so which can do an L by D which is much longer than the traditional tools. So this is one example. Another example could be that look, you want to do a small little groove inside a tool, inside a job which has got, let us say, a diameter of 0.6 millimeter. Such a job, normally, traditionally, very specialized type of tools are required. Now we have come down to a level of using the indexable tool technology, going up to a level of 6 millimeter. 6 millimeter was not possible before. You have materials like nickel based alloys used in aerospace machining today. Traditional tools cannot machine them, they are very hard to machine. They are very specialized tools made out of ceramics. They are on display to showcase to customer that they can productively machine even difficult to machine materials like nickel based alloy. These are all some of the standard solutions trying to help customer to overcome limitations and improve the productivity. But we also have parallelly on display some of the solutions which are industry oriented solutions. You have solutions for machining EV components. You have solutions for machining manifolds. You have solutions for machining, let us say, brake components. Like this, different industry component for gear machining. So these solutions are also on display, which gives the industry leaders ability to visualize the new type of solution and what kind of improvement productivity they can do using these machines.
Okay. Okay, that's very interesting. You spoke about EV machining components.
Yes.
So how are they different?
So for example, from a traditional parts, when you go to EV parts, many a times the material of construction changes and configuration of job changes, accuracy levels are changed. So it is new and it is new for the industry. So consequently, it is important for us to really showcase you can machine even such parts at high productivity using tailor-made solutions. So those solutions are on display using polycrystalline diamond, using natural diamond, doing different types of tools and tool materials which can be useful.
And is it okay to divulge the customers that you have?
Yeah, no. See, today world is so open. There is nothing secretive about anything today in terms of technology. If you don't tell customer what technology you are offering, there is no possibility of you getting the customer acceptance. So we showcase them. Of course, we don't tell them how to make them, but we tell them how to use them.
Okay. So your products are exported.
Yes, about 20% of what we produce gets exported.
Okay, that's great. That's so Make in India is
Yes.
also going big.
Right.
Thank you for that. Now, I would also like to tell you that manufacturing today is celebrating its 14th anniversary, and I would like to ask you a few questions regarding the topic that we are covering. That is top 100 leaders we are covering. So, as a leader in manufacturing sector, what innovative strategies have you implemented to drive the revenue growth in and spearhead successful projects over the past year?
So look, in my opinion, business has remained all the time simple. There is only one thing that drives your business, top line and bottom line. That only one thing is the how do you exceed the customer expectation? Customer expectation keeps on changing as the demand changes in the market. There are times when customer is more worried about cost. There are times they are worried about productivity. There are times where they are worried about capability. If as a company, our strategy is to keep understanding the customer requirements in the market and then showcase solutions which are tailor made to meet the changing customer expectations. This is our pure strategy. You don't need anything else. If you satisfy a customer, give them the value proposition, top line, bottom line automatically. That is our only strategy. So we position ourselves as partner in cost reduction. We say our purpose of the company is to make our customers more competitive than what they are. So if you stick to that, I believe you succeed.
Okay. And about impact and contribution, how have your decision and leadership style contributed to your company's position in manufacturing industry? What measurable outcomes such as revenue growth, market share expansion, or operational excellence stand out as your significant achievement?
So look, as a company, first of all, like I said, that the first and foremost is to focus on customer, customer, customer. But in order to give a value proposition to customer, you need to produce a product and solutions which are significantly more competitive than your existing solutions. How do you make your solutions more competitive? Either by innovation or by making it cheaper than the competitor in terms of by using your own productivity. So as a company, we are also very, very focused on our operational excellence. So when you walk into our factory, you will realize that it's just not about making the tools. We are organized in such a way that the factory is absolutely clean and absolutely state of the art. We use automation as a strategy, not just a tool, but as a strategy to drive productivity, to drive the competitiveness in the market.
Okay. What are the what are your priorities for the coming years in terms of enhancing your organization's growth, fostering innovation, advancing your organization growth, contributing to India's global competitiveness, as you mentioned about exports?
So, first and foremost is our customers have to become more competitive by using our tool. That's the first objective. So, for which we need to continuously improve upon our offering to customers in terms of solution what we offer, in terms of ideas what we give them to really make their operations better. This is our first priority. While we do so, today, not only the Indian market, even global markets also require very, very competitive solutions. So we have built not only manufacturing strength in the country, we have also built very strong R&D base in India. So our engineers are very well trained and then able to give solution to customer nationally as well as outside the world. Very nicely engineered solution which can meet the specific demand of customer, not just standard product, but engineered solutions for customers to expand our reach to the customer, give them the better value propositions.